Today I wanted to share a simple grounding practice that really helps me when my mind is super busy or I'm feeling a little overwhelmed. As you can see, I'm sitting under this beautiful rowan tree, but you don't have to sit under a tree. It's just that I particularly like being near trees. You can be at home in your sitting room. You can be in your garden or in a park or at work. It doesn't matter. You can practice this anywhere. And you'll also see that I'm just dressed in regular clothes. You don't need to be in fancy yoga wear or any special clothing. You just can kind of do this anywhere, anytime. This is a practice that really helps me because sometimes I can feel that all my energy is kind of up here, up in my head, and this helps me to feel calm, more rooted, and yeah, just more, more grounded. So if you'd like to join me, just find yourself a comfy place to sit. Get yourself nice and comfy. I like to kick off my shoes and feel connected to the ground, but you don't have to do that. You can just be wearing whatever you've got on at the moment. Most important thing is that you're comfortable. So once you're comfortable, you can either lower your gaze or close your eyes and just take a lovely breath in through the nose and then let it go through the mouth. You don't have to time it. There's no special way. You're just breathing, but you're just taking the time to kind of land in the space that you're in. So breathing in through the nose and out through the mouth. And just repeat this a few more times. Big breath in and exhale through the mouth. So as you take those breaths in and then let them go, maybe start to think about feeling the ground holding you and supporting you, or the chair that you're sitting on. There's nowhere you need to be. There's nothing you need to achieve here. Just settle and land into this space. So just carry on breathing in through the nose, out through the mouth. And if it feels right for you, if you can imagine these beautiful golden tendrils growing from the base of your spine and wending their way through the ground beneath you, through the soil, through the stones, finding their own natural path down through the earth, deep, deep down, but also wide, like the roots of this tree that I'm sitting below. You keep breathing in, and as you breathe out, imagine those beautiful golden tendrils going ever deeper and ever wider, helping you to draw your energy downwards into the earth so that you too feel rooted and held and supported. Whether you can picture this clearly or whether you can just focus on that feeling of being rooted, it really doesn't matter. Just focus on what is helpful for you today. And just sit there. Lovely slow breathing in through the nose and out through the mouth. Imagine yourself becoming as steady and supported as this beautiful tree beside me. Its roots are deep, which allows it to stand steady and strong. no matter what the weather throws at it. With every slow breath, those roots travel deeper and wider. As you breathe in, imagine drawing a sense of steadiness and calm up through those golden roots. As you breathe out, imagine letting go of any tension, worry, or busyness that you felt today. Just let it go through those beautiful golden tendrils. Take another slow breath in, and then let your breath out through your mouth. And feel the ground beneath you supporting you, helping you to feel steady and calm. Notice your breath. Notice how your body feels. Notice the support from the ground beneath you. And remember that whenever life feels a little overwhelming, this is a practice that you can return to again and again. So when you're ready, just gently bring your awareness back to your surroundings. Perhaps notice the sounds around you. Wiggle your toes, fingers. Sometimes it's nice to just bring your hands up to your face and to cover your eyes and just gently massage around your temples and along your brows. Take a few breaths in and out, and gently open your eyes and take away your hands. And I hope that has helped you. It's so simple to do, only takes a couple of minutes, but yeah, it really does help me. So I hope this practice can help you too. Sometimes all we need is just a moment to reconnect with ourselves. Thank you for spending these few quiet moments with me. I hope you feel a little calmer, a little steadier, and a little bit more connected to the ground. So take gentle care of yourself, and I'm sending you much love as always. Mwah.